Okay, this time we're going to do a little bit more. We've got to add a trend line to a scatter plot using Excel's own functionality. That's 2.6 on here. So if you've obviously pressed this button here to see this, so what we're going to do is we're going to trend line, we'll show a trend line on the core data. So let's plot the core data first. So we're going to plot core porosity versus permeability. So the first time we do this, select the data, and we go back to our insert graph stuff. Where's it gone? Insert graph, XY. We've got to pull it down so we can see it. Maybe go up the page. Okay. Now we've got to change this axis to logarithmic, format axis. And we're going to go logarithmic. And we're going to add the scale crosses at 0.01. So it looks nice and pretty. And then we're going to add some axes to it. So we've got to go to add chart element. We need axis title primary and axis title vertical. So that's going to be permeability. This one's going to be porosity. So it's ambient in this case because we haven't got the stress data here. And what we need to do is add a trend line to this data. We just click on it, and we go right click, add to trend line. And you'll see some options come up on the right hand side. For permeabilities, the best options are exponential, and we can just show display equation on form and display the R squared on there as well. So if we click that, we can pull it to one side where we can see it. So we've got an R squared there of 0.64. Click back on the trend line, and we can change it to a power perhaps, polynomial. In this case it's a second order, logarithmic, linear. In this case, because it's a log space, the linear model is in fact the exponential. So that's a quick and simple way to get a trend line through a set of data.